Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to change date and time on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to general right here. Scroll down again till you see date and time, which is just above the keyboard option. Tap on date and time, and here I have set it to automatically, but if you want to set it off on your own date and time, just need to switch this off right there, and you could either change the day right here just by tapping on anything that you want, or you could just tap on the time right here and you could change it to whatever you want. Also, you could just go to time zone and pick anything that you want right here. So let's say I want New York. Tap on that. As you can see, it will automatically be set to New York time. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.